Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how you can change your ringtone. Go for the menu, then go for the settings and scroll to the tones, pick ringtone, and we can change ringtone for the SIM first and SIM second. I'm going to change for the SIM first. Click OK to enter. Currently it's set up the Nokia tune. Let me just show the preview. There's our default song, but if you want to change, for example, for Destiny, you can just click OK and it will be changed. You can also do the same for the second SIM card. So for example, you can change for Rococo or for Nostalgia. Click OK to confirm, and as you can see, after that it will be appears that our ringtone has changed, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.